Morning class third. So students, we have already completed 4 chapters in English first, and today we will start a new chapter number 5, Anansi and the Yam Hills. So this is a story of an old woman, and the name of the woman was Five. Okay, and no one was knowing why this type of strange name she is having and who has given this name, and she possessed, it means she was having a magical power, and she was a evil means she was having a bad magical powers, and she was a witch. And that lady was don't like her name, and she hated her name, and everyone was teasing her by making fun of her name, and everyone was teasing her. So she was very angry on everyone, and everyone was saying that give me a 5 for making fun of her name, and they were giving slap on her hand by saying give me a 5. And because of this constant teasing, she was very much angry, and she decided to give everyone a curse. So curse means like a shrap. She decided to give curse. Spell means curse. Already she was having a magical power, so she said if anyone will say 5, then they will be die. Then after that she thought it is very harsh, it is not good, nobody can should be die. So she said if anyone will say 5, and he or she will be disappear. So this curse was a very big problem for everyone, so nobody want to say 5 in her or his life. If anyone was saying number 5, that number, so they will be disappearing. Students were not saying the table of 5, and nobody was saying this number because they were afraid of that curse. And in the same village, a spider was living, and the name of the spider was Anansi. And he was very lazy, and he knew the curse of that witch, and he thought an idea. So he decided to go to the main road and take the land near the guangu tree. Near the guangu tree, he decided to make 5 mounds. Mounds means a circular small hills with the mud, like this is mound. So he made the 5 mound, and he has given a name Yam Hills. And because why he has given Yam Hills name? So because he planted the yellow yam of African sprout, and then he start making the web on that tree, guangu tree, and start waiting the other student who was passing from that road. So one day what happened, the dog was coming from that road, and he was having a basket full of fruits. So spider greeted the dog, good morning, and told, I am not educated, I don't know the counting, so please you can count how many plants are here. But that dog was in hurry, he was not having time at that time for Anansi, because dog was not having time. So he told to Anansi, go and learn from the school. Now Anansi was very upset, but he was still waiting for the other one. Then after that, who came? Brother Bull. Brother Bull came, and he was having a delicious fruits. And what happened? Anansi said to the Brother Bull, good morning. And he asked, do you have time for me? So Brother Bull said, yes, I have. Tell me what is the problem, what is the work. So Anansi told, my parents didn't send me school and I don't know how to count and how to read. Please count these. How many plants are there on these hills? So brother Bull told, oh, this is not a problem, I will count for you. So he started counting 1 2 3 4 5, and when he told 5, whoosh, the brother wolf vanishes, means disappeared in the air, and what left, and the basket of fruit is left there. So Anansi the spider suddenly jumped on the basket and carried it at the home. And this was happening for a long time. Anansi was making fool of the passengers, and he was taking the things, materials which the passengers were having, and he become very much fat. A lady whose name was Mrs. Junior Fall was living there, and she was very gentle lady, and she was having a newly born babies, and she was very helpful, and she don't say no to anyone. She always ready for helping others. One day that lady was going through that road, and Anansi saw her and came down from the tree and started greeting the lady. What he said, good morning Mrs. Junior Fall, please help me. And that lady was very much helpful, so she told, yes, of course I will help you. So Anansi told, please see these yam hills, and I have planted here some sprout. Please count these, how many are there. But that lady was very smart. She was knowing about the Anansi trick. She had already seen that he was disappearing someone. Now she thought an idea. Now she start walking on the over the yam hill and start counting 1 2 3 4, and what she said, 1 2 3 4, and the one I am standing on. Again and again she was saying 1 2 3 4, and the one I am standing on, and she was not saying 5. When Anansi listened this, he was very much angry, and he told, this is not the way you are counting. So Mrs. Junior Fall is saying, what do you mean Anansi, I am telling right, there is no mistake in my counting. So Anansi told, what is this number, the one I am standing on? This type of number is not there, the one I am standing on. Please count again. And again the lady start counting 1 2 3 4, and the one I am standing on. Again the Anansi was very angry, and he was saying, that is not how are you counting. So on this, Mrs. Junior Fall is saying that if you know how to count, please tell me. And Anansi was very much angry, so he starts shouting and start counting 1 2 3 4 5. And when he told 5, oops, what happened? Anansi disappeared, and Mrs. Junior Fall left there with all the food he was having. So this is the end of the story. So don't be clever for everyone. So students, open your English first copy, write today's date, lesson number and lesson name. So firstly we will do keywords. Draw a hill, and in this hill we will write keywords. So first is spell, then harsh, then cunning, right, tough, difficult, yam, sprout, rarely, after the harvest means crop. Now write the question answer. Question number 1 is, why did 5 cast a magical spell? So the answer is 5 cast a magical spell because of constant teasing. So leave one line and write next question. Here the question is having 2 parts, so I have made here 2 questions from 1. So the next question is, what effect did a magical spell have on the villagers? Answer of the question is, the villagers stopped using the number 5. So next question we will write from the question number 2 part 1. Question number 3 is, who was Anansi? So the answer is, Anansi was a spider. Leave one line, write next question. Question number 5 is, why did Anansi went to use the witch spell? So the answer is, Anansi used the witch spell. Which spell? Here apostrophe s you will write spell, because he was lazy. So students, read this chapter number 5 again and again, underline hard words and complete this work, keywords and the question answer. Thank you.